Hello, my name is Dean Tremaine from Canadian Business College. Join us in conversation to learn more about what we do here on a daily basis to help you find a better career.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I have to tell you, it's a great privilege to be in conversation with the good people here at the Canadian Business College in Mississauga, Ontario. There's a lot of good things happening here. A lot of lives are being changed, a lot of good things, and a lot of empowerment happening. Why don't you introduce yourself, tell us what you do.
Okay, well, my name is Megan. I'm in admissions here at Canadian Business College, and I help our community find careers that they enjoy.
Megan, what does, when you say you're in admissions, what exactly does that look like? Talk to me about that.
Okay, so basically what I do is I connect with people in the community and I talk about their career goals and where they're trying to go and what they're trying to achieve. And I try to help them find a program that will help get them there, providing them the skills and the opportunity to get into that position.
You know, I find that CBC is very accessible. It's a very inviting place.
Absolutely.
People want, when they first interact with the college, it's welcoming. Talk to me about the importance of being like that, the philosophy about welcoming people in.
Absolutely. So just like I mentioned about the community, you know, we are here in the community. We have 3 campuses, Mississauga, Toronto, and Scarborough, and we really want to focus on being one of those schools where we can help and reach out to the community. We have moms, brothers, uncles, aunts, and a lot of them, you know, they are looking for careers that can help better position themselves, or even just get them to the career that they would prefer. So what we do is we try to connect the dots.
Right. I love the way you describe that. Oh, there's a couple of things there I want to talk about. You really do focus on the community. You do understand that you don't just sit in isolation in these buildings in the cities. You're part of a bigger ecosystem.
Mm-hmm.
As you say, your mom's brothers, sisters, cousins, everybody is all connected, and you understand where you fit. That's a beautiful thing. And then connecting the dots, helping people through that journey. You must get a lot of people that call and they're just a little confused on the direction they want to go. It must feel good to help them navigate that.
Oh yeah, graduation's my favorite, especially seeing them and their accomplishment and then seeing their families so proud of them. It's so nice to be a part of their 1 year in their journey to success.
Yeah, that's cool, right? Because you get to introduce them into the college, and you know what it's going to look like at the other end, right? Mm-hmm. You almost have a bit of a sort of a crystal ball to say, I know that life is going to change for you.
I'm like, wait till you see it.
But the best part about that is as you welcome them in, you know that you're about to put them before a group of instructors who come to the table with real skills, and they're passing that knowledge on. So the product that you're selling, in this case, is not that hard to sell because you know that you're giving them something great.
Exactly. We have a great team on all different ends that help them throughout the process, whether it be in admissions from the beginning, in finance that helps them figure out how to make it work financially, in education who supports them with their tools, and then the career services at the end who help them find that position that they're looking for, the end goal. Yeah. So I definitely see the big picture.
It's really about dropping barriers, right? So allowing people to push away all the things that they, real or perceived, that they may see as getting in the way of them learning, dropping them and then bringing them in. The cool thing about CBC is you help them along the way, too.
Mm-hmm, absolutely.
You don't just get them in the door and forget about them.
Oh, no. They're part of the family.
Again, this word keeps coming up, family. Everybody I've talked to, whether it's a graduate from the president right down to students that I talk to, they use the word family.
Yeah.
What is it? Why are we using this word when we talk about an academic institution?
Because we don't want you just to come here and be another number. So we pride ourselves on focusing on, you know, helping you get to where you go. So it's an individual conversation from the beginning. We cater to you. Where are you going? What are you trying to do? And how can we help you get there? We talk about family all the time because, again, like I said, community, right? We want to focus on our community. That's where we live, whether it's in Mississauga, Toronto, wherever, we're part of the community. So we want to make sure that we're doing our part in the community and helping the others around us.
Tell me what the students mean to you.
Everything. I could be doing a lot of things. I'm not educated in education specifically. I come from a finance background, but I choose what I do here because I love the people. I love, when they come in with their, just like you said, their barriers, their obstacles, their hurdles, and breaking it down one by one, problem solving one by one, bringing my team together, and just seeing them at the end when they reach their goal and that success and the achievement on their face. That's why I do it.
What would you say to somebody that's watching this now and they're saying, I don't know, can I do it? Should I do it? I've got so many reasons not to do it. What would you say to them?
Absolutely. Why not? Right? All you have to do is try. We have a team of support. We're here literally with our arms open wide, ready and here to support you. And we're also really great problem solvers. So, I always say it's open line of communication. Talk to us, we talk back. And that's what it is. It's community, right? So if you can, communicate with us, let us know where you're at, let us know what struggles you're facing with. There are times where I helped people find a daycare, find a part-time job just to make ends meet because maybe the finance support wasn't enough. Mm-hmm. We go above and beyond for our students, and that's one thing why we really strive ourselves on saying that we're a family, because families go above and beyond. Families don't just stop at where we're supposed to be, We go that extra mile, we support, we're here.
Well, that's what Canadian Business College is all about right there. Megan, thanks very much for being in the conversation.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for watching, and to learn more, visit www.canadianbusinesscollege.com.